Hey, what's going on, everybody? Dave back again, and today we have a kit to review from, of course, GalacticToys.com. Today we're going to be taking a look at and unboxing a Gurren Lagann kit. I love the kits. I am not super familiar with the series. I have seen some of the series, but I am not super familiar with it. But what I can tell you is I love this freaking robot. It's super awesome. So when I got a chance, I definitely picked it up. If you have not seen any of my other videos, definitely check them out. I have a holiday contest which is giving away a buttload of RX-78-2s, including a perfect grade RX-78-2, which is going to be for the holiday contest. I have a discount code. Use code Starshadow with the link down below and get 10% off anything on the site. Snapshot that after you've checked out, send it to thegunplowmeister74@gmail.com and be entered into the holiday contest. It's that simple. I'm not even asking you to be subscribed to the channel. It's not a requirement. You don't have to. Just buy something, snapshot it using my code, and you're in. So without further ado, let's stop wasting time. Let's jump down the table, take a look at what comes in the box, and then later on, we're going to do a video with it all built up. Maybe I'll do a live stream with it built up. All right, oi. Here we are with the Plaiobot from Gurren Lagann. This is a plastic model kit, and this is a different boxing for me because I'm used to, you know, you just grab the lid and you pull it off and everything's inside. Again, I love this design of the robot. I did have a resin version of it with flames all coming up the back and everything, and that was freaking awesome. And I've seen some people do some fantastic stuff. In fact, I believe our friend Nori TV did one of these where he ended up candy painting it with some great weathering on there, and it might even have been the same one. I'm not sure. I'll have to go back and look. There is a sticker on here, sales outside Japan only. I don't know what the difference between the in Japan and out of Japan is. Taking a look at the side of the box, nice and glossy. You have your bluefin sticker. You have all this information in Japanese, which I can't read. Taking a look at the other side, and yes, it is a dark box. You get some great poses on here. Again, this needs to be painted. Like, I'm not going to paint it, but it needs to be painted. Taking a look at the box, you get some great artwork on here. Let's get into the box and see what's inside. All right, sliding this over, you get, I'm assuming, the instruction manual. I don't know what that is. That's actually kind of janky. All right, well, we'll toss that over there. You get one package, two package, you get your AMSR for the night. 3 packages, and this has to be a Kotobukiya kit because they're the only company that I know that ends up doing the pre-colored pieces like that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 packages. So give me just a couple of minutes. We're going to get these all knocked out of the packages and we'll take a look at everything inside. All right, we've got everything all set up. So what we're going to do now is go through the instruction manual. So first and foremost, we're going to open this up, and this is really thin, like a high grade. So I'm not assuming it's going to be too bad on here. Taking a look, you have some artwork that's over here. You have where all the stickers end up going. We will show you the stickers here in a little bit. You have all the parts layout. Grab these stupid high grade things. You have what to do's, what to don'ts, what to glue, what to not. Just the regular instructions are on there. Going through the first 2 sheets of instructions, you end up getting built, it looks like the chest part, and then the waist part. Looks like arms, legs, more legs, feet, backpack part, the drill, putting everything together, the hands, and I think that's it. Really simple instructions. Speaking of sticker sheets, you get 1 sticker sheet in gold, a pale gold, and some like matte silver, and then there's some gray over here. Looks white on the camera, but it's actually a light gray. We are going to go through these parts first since we have them here. I'm going to brighten everything up since they're not white. So this is actually in a like pearlescent. this part here that looks white. You have the blue that's in a baby blue, a nice color red. You get the bottom jaw here, same thing. You get the crest for the top of the head in a nice gold, not crappy Bandai like injection gold, but actually like a painted gold. You get the faces on here, and there's two different ones. There's one that's completely unpainted and everything, and then there is, which is like the angry face, and then you have the one, it's in a pearlescent silver with red, black, and that little blue. If we look real close, you can kind of see that. You get the inset in the chest of the eyes. Going through the runner, you get two runner A's, and this is in a very bright red. Runner B in that same red. Runner C, this is in a gunmetal. Runner D, you get two of, again in that gunmetal. Runner E, you get two of, still in that gunmetal. Runner F, these are going to be your hands and everything. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, I think there's like 5 sets of hands still in that gunmetal, and these seem to be different shades of gunmetal, so you can see that this one's more metallic where this one's more dark. Runner G, you get two of, these are in a black and kind of a matte black. Runner H, you get two of, still in that matte black. Runner I, you get one of, back to the gunmetal. Runner J, matte black. Runner K, you get one of, and this is in a glossy black. Runner L, you get two of. Runner M, you get two of, and these are in a kind of a smoky brown color, but these are clear. Runner N, same smoky clear color, kind of a brownish color. Kind of reminds me of coffee with just a little cream. Runner O, you get one of the drill bits. This is going to be the longer one. Then you get the little ones on here. This is going to be in an injected silver. And this still ends up looking better than Bandai's injected silver. And Runner P, this is going to be in the same injected silver. And you can kind of see some swirlies over here. Not too bad. More little drills everywhere. All right, so in closing, you get 21, 22 runners. You get 6 loose parts that are already pre-painted. You get 1 sticker sheet, 1 instruction manual, and of course the box that's here somewhere. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed that boxing. I'm really interested to see how this ends up looking and how big it is once it's all built. If you like this video and you want to see this guy all built up and maybe a live stream of me snapping him all together, click that like button and leave a comment down below. Again, you can pick this up over at Galactic Toys. There will be a link down below. Use my code Starshadow for 10% off. And while you're at it, screenshot it once you're all done showing that you use the discount code. Send that over to thegunplowmeister74@gmail.com. We'll get you entered into the holiday contest and hopefully get you guys one of those prizes. As usual, I want to thank you guys all for tuning in, and I want to thank Galactic Toys for being so awesome. We will work on this in a later video. I've got a lot more stuff to show you guys, so definitely stay tuned. I will see you guys all in the next video. As usual, YouTube, peace out.